Today we have a 2007 Lexus IS250. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got the 2.5 motor. The customer says the car's been a little sluggish, hesitating. It does happen to have a check engine light, which is a P0101, which happens to be your mass airflow sensor. We're going to show you where that's located and how to either clean or replace it. For some reason, Toyota, Lexus, a lot of times they like to cover the engine compartment. If you're looking for your mass airflow sensor, it's going to be on this side right here. And you're going to have to pop up these. There's one. And this car does have a lot of miles on it, so some of them might be missing or broke. This isn't original. And there's one down in here. Same type thing as the front up there. Get that out. And there, if you look in the back here, there's one that unscrews. So we're going to unscrew that one. In fact, it might just pop up. Like I said, I don't know if it's original or not. Yeah, it just pops up. That's actually supposed to, if you look at it, unscrew or something, but it looks like it's kind of broken. You can see that your mass airflow sensor is right here, and it's held on by little Phillips screws. So we're going to use our, actually what I'm going to do is release this first. Push this tab right here. Push that down. You might have to wiggle a little. There, like that. You can see there's a little tab right there. You push down on that. Put that off to the side, and we're going to unscrew these little Phillips. Hopefully just by cleaning it, it should fix it. There's one. And this snap-on does have a magnetic tip on it. Now what we're going to do is pull this, wiggle it like that straight up. It's got this little rubber holding it. So we're going to check this baby out. Here, what reads the airflow is these little wires right here. So we're going to clean those, let it dry, and reassemble it. A lot of times you can see if these wires are actually dirty. And you can see that one's shinier, and that one isn't right there. So we're going to clean them, and hopefully that takes care of their problem. And when you're doing this, you're going to want to use stuff that is made specifically for cleaning mass airflow sensors. You don't want to use brake clean or something else. It'll just leave a residue. So make sure you get the proper thing to clean your mass airflow sensor. All right, now we're going to let that, now you can see how shiny it is all of a sudden by doing that. So maybe that will take care of the problem, hopefully. Okay, we're going to let it sit and then reinstall. So it's dried off. We're going to reinstall it. Slide it down like that, and it snaps in because of that rubber. Now, you might want to do these by hand. This one is supposed to be magnetic, so it should hold it. I'm going to start that one. You don't want to drop a screw and be looking for it for 10 minutes. Got that one? Yeah, we'll do this with the hand. Start that one. Tight. Tight. Plug this in. Listen for it to click like that. Last thing we're going to do is reinstall our cover. Okay, we're going to slide that under there, lift that up. Make sure the holes line up that way. You can actually put a couple of them in. This one was on this one over here. Not that it's that important. Put one up here. Push it down. So we got those two. Line up this hole right here. And then clip it in place. And just slide down. Make sure it slides down in the hole, just like that. Clip it in. And this last one is this over here. And just slide it on in place. And that's all it takes to clean or replace a mass airflow sensor on a 2007 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive with a 2.5 motor.